Quacker Factory Flare. It is the Field of Daisies button cover short sleeve cardigan, and this is our only order of the year. It should be $79, and it is new. This is something we just got in recently. Was it for National Quacker Factory Day? And so we saw it that night when we closed out the show. Our only order of the year, and we've had over 400 sold since its debut. So get it at that sale price today, because when it's gone, it is gone. We have extra small through 5X. This is your light navy. Then we have your azalea. And last but not least is that light aqua. Now you may see the gorgeous detail on the top, but we got to talk about my favorite little feature right here.
I know.
The button covers.
So shall we move this to the front?
Let's bring her on up.
Okay. So this has all of the bells and whistles that Quacker Factory has to offer. 60% cotton, 40% polyester. V-neck cardigan, short sleeves for all of you that live, you know, that you want something, you want an over piece, but you don't want it with the long sleeves because it's hot where you live, right? Then you have that incredible daisy embroidery and rhinestones. But wait, there's more. Button covers. For the first time in decades, we have brought back the button cover specifically for National Quacker Day.
I absolutely love them. Those remind me, you know, growing up, I loved Quacker Factory. I would sit, I think I was the only 5th grade boy sitting at home watching QVC so I could see Quacker Factory. And I remember those from years ago. And the fact that we have them now on this cool new design on a fabric that feels so great on the body, this is that piece to pick up, especially if you're a Quacker collector. Because when was the last time that you brought these to us?
It has been decades. Because, you know, the very first item that Jean Bice brought to QVC was a white cotton blouse with some applique. One was cats, one was cows, and then button covers. And so many of you have been asking us for years to do button covers. And it was hard because it was hard for the team to decide to do it, because if you lose one, if it breaks, we can't replace it for you because it comes only as a set, right? But then we thought, since this was our 30th celebration of, you know, National Quacker Day, basically, we wanted to bring you something that was from the archives, but that still had a fresh take on it.
Right.
And, you know, so just keep in mind that these daisies will coordinate back to some things that we have coming later this spring.
Oh.
Winkety wink. You heard it here first.
And then
just got them.
Oh, I can't wait to see.
I just got my samples.
But the back of it, we're talking plain. Not drawing any attention to anything we don't want attention drawn to. It's going to be that clean back. The fabric on this, where you're getting that 60 cotton, 40 poly, super breathable. Machine wash, dry flat.
Exactly. Please remove the button covers before you wash this. They don't need to be washed. Turn it inside out. And and be, you know, just put them, they come in a little, you know, a bubble wrap bag. You know, certainly put them in some sort of baggie and maybe hang it on the hanger so that they're always with your top. But you can wear this as a top, John. You can wear it over a tank top or a t-shirt, whichever you prefer, however you like to wear it, because the embroidery is soft and itchy, scratchy.
We've got a little bag for you, but this with that great skirt we saw earlier. Pick this up. It's that instant outfit. It is your uniform for those warmer days ahead.
John, put the pink with the green. Would you do that for me?
I would be honored.
Thank you.
I would be honored.
So the button covers come in bubble wrap. In this beautiful long sleeve. So you could really just keep the sleeve, put them back in the sleeve, and hang it on the hanger in your closet so that you never are missing them.
And can these button covers go on other shirts?
Absolutely.
So, I mean, pick up the shirt and get the button covers. That's going to revamp any of the blouses you have in your wardrobe. If you have that plain white top, you put these button covers on, it's instantly elevated. It's that boutique look, but you also have a great short sleeve cardigan that is new, and it is the only order of the year. You're getting it at a sale price. These are all incredible words. And may I mention,
please,
free shipping and handling.
Oh, wow.
Pew, 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 pew.
That's so nice. I didn't even know that.
Free shipping and handling on this. This is your azalea option that you were seeing on our model, and we will show you again in studio.
And Bridget's a size large, and I believe, there's the chart right there.
I love that you know
I'm gonna
everyone's.
just stop it.
I love that you know everyone's measurements. This is your light navy, and this is that light aqua. Light aqua has been super popular. Do not wait on this. It should be $79. Pick it up at the sale price. Pick it up at the free shipping and handling, because we don't know the next time that we will have these button covers back. It is a staple, especially if you're a collector or if this is your first Quacker Factory purchase. This encapsulates everything that this brand is. It is joy. It's item number A681257. 800-500-7590 is that number to call. And if you want that skort,